This video is going to talk about some basic biochem vocab. Now, biochem is again short for biochemistry. Our first vocab word is going to be atom. An atom is a basic unit of matter that can't be broken down into smaller parts by chemical means. And atoms will very frequently make up elements. An element is going to be a pure substance made up of only one kind of atom. And there are lots of different kinds of atoms and a good number of elements too. And when you look at the periodic table of elements, you'll see that we have a bit over 100 elements here, about 90 of which are naturally occurring on Earth. And so if I have, for example, zinc here, Zn is an element. If I have some amount of zinc that I can hold in my hand, I know that that zinc is made up of only zinc atoms. So it can be broken down into atoms, and it can't be broken down any further and still have its same properties. Atoms can also come together to make molecules. Molecules will be a group of atoms held together by covalent bonds. Now, a molecule can make up an element where you have lots of different of the same atoms bonded to each other, or they can make a compound. And a compound is going to be a substance made up of atoms of two different elements or more. All right? So an example of a compound is carbon dioxide. It's a molecule, they're bonded together, and it has carbon and oxygen, which you can see here for the C for carbon, the O for oxygen. Water, H2O, made up of hydrogen and oxygen, two different elements. This is carbon monoxide, carbon with a single oxygen. All right. You can also have something, for example, like a sugar, glucose, C6H12O6. That will be a compound, and yet it's made of three different elements.